Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alchemist Ame. On this channel you'll build, buy, craft, and create. We'll have fun with the Cricut and craft different items with it. We will also bake different items as well as other fun things on this channel. I wanted to just give you a short introduction about me. I'm Hufflepuff, and along the way we will have fun with different Harry Potter items as well as building different Harry Potter Legos and other 3D puzzles. If you find that you have things that you would like to share or deals that you have found, I will also share them on this channel. So that's about it about me. I am a Harry Potter fan and I love all things Harry Potter. I will also be putting up a merch video, but I am a full-on collector and I would love to share that with all of you. So I can't wait, and I hope you follow along, like and subscribe, and have fun, enjoy my channel.